as a cybercrime lawyer, the first and foremost thing that you need to know when somebody approaches you with a crime that has been committed, then how do you file a cybercrime complaint? First, you can file the complaint you can file any complaint in three ways. As I told you, crime is just like any other crime. It's just that you will have an additional way of filing a complaint in cases of cybercrime. First is filing a written complaint in nearest cyber cell. So all of all of your cities, all of your areas will have a cyber cell which would be specifically dealing with cyber crimes. Now, what this cyber cell does is they will have officers who are they will have officers who are specifically trained with computers, with accessing data, who understand the nuances of IT law, which your regular police officers will not understand. So generally, whenever a cyber crime is committed, you have to file a complaint specifically to the cyber cell of the area near you. Second, you lodge an FIR. You can go to a normal police station and you lodge an FIR, and your FIR would be transferred to the cyber cell of respective area. Third is you file a complaint at cybercrime.gov.in, except this is the easiest way of filing a cyber complaint. You just go online. I'll explain you the procedure of filing the cybercrime complaint. So basically, can you read this? So anyway, I'll explain it to you if you're not able to read this. First, you go. First, you go to the website that is cybercrime.gov.in. Okay, Sajjan, it's not clear. So, all right, I'll explain whatever is written here in detail. So, first and most important thing here is that you go to the website. After that, you have to register as a user. If it's a crime which is related to women or child related crime, then it would be there is a specific way there's a specific portal to file that complaint, because not only will it be proceeded under IPC and IT Act, but it will also be an offense under POCSO and specific women related laws. Other than that, all other cybercrimes would come under a different B category, where you would be clicking on report other cybercrime. After that, you will have to click on the portal, file a complaint, accept the terms and conditions, and then you register. In the registration portal, you will have to give your basic details like name, Aadhaar number, driving license, address, mobile number. You will get an OTP on your mobile. Once you've done that, write the complaint, give details of the offense that has been committed. There will be an option of reporting anonymously or reporting this thing. But remember, what I have seen is report anonymously does not work unless it's a crime related to child or women. So this is a very fast track procedure, because what happens here is every crime, every offense that is registered online, it will be specifically tracked by IT ministry as well through regular reports. So generally action is taken more promptly in these cases. So it's always advisable that you go through this route. Yeah, this is not for advocates, but generally this is what you should know, that that's how investigations are filed. In fact, if you will see that way, advocates are not supposed to file complaints. Complaints are supposed to be filed by the victims only in police station. But it's always good to get your complaint vetted by a lawyer, because when you're drafting a complaint, all the offenses, you'll have to remember three things. First, you have to give facts and satisfy the ingredients of all the sections that are there, that are the charging sections in respect of that complaint. So that is where lawyers come in. In fact, more often than not, when a crime is committed, people generally approach a lawyer and ask them to draft a complaint and then give it to the police station, for the same reason, because you cannot go back and change facts or add, subtract details later.